The 2025 financial year was a turning point for Titomic. What began with facilities in Australia and the Netherlands has now grown into a multi-regional advanced manufacturing business. Our expansion into the US was transformational. With the opening of our 59,000 square foot Huntsville headquarters, Titomic is now embedded alongside major defense primes and key customers. Within weeks, we secured a manufacturing program with a major defense prime, producing high-performance pressure vessels for missile defense and other components. In Europe, we advanced our integration with commercial aircraft MROs operations, continued validation with a Tier 1 engineering leader, and delivered systems to research powerhouses like Fraunhofer. While the U.S. Navy's NAVSEA purchased its first Titomic system, opening a pathway to a large-scale naval adoption. Back home in Australia, our technology delivered real-world results. Corrosion remediation for oil and gas offshore assets, and over 50 rail component repairs accepted as a permanent sustainment solution. In space, we have generated a thermal radiator that has been flying on the Hermes Spirit satellite for over 2 years, proving out our capabilities in TRL Level 9. We have been creating external protection materials for radiation hardening, electromagnetic pulse, and nuclear hardening as well. We're excited about the future of space and believe we're going to be an integral part of it going forward. On the front lines, our extremely mobile D523 machine has helped the Allies to enable us to protect the world order. We have delivered cold spray applications to universities and research centers, moving our capabilities and the technology forward. At the core is our Titomic Kinetic Fusion, a patent cold spray process that manufactures and repairs metal parts without heat, reducing waste, cutting cost, and delivering components in hours, not weeks. This efficiency drives a clear competitive advantage across aerospace, defense, marine, energy, and transport, sectors representing $5 billion in addressable market. System sales remain strong, further embedding Titomic into the global supply chain while creating long-term sustainment opportunities. Since joining Titomic, I built a leadership team designed to deliver at speed and scale. I'm proud to be joined by Dr. Patty Dare as president of Titomic USA, bringing unmatched experience in defense, aerospace, and large-scale manufacturing. To fund this growth, Titomic successfully raised 50 million Australian dollars through institutional investors, fueling U.S. expansion, European scale-up, and the launch of Titomic UK, a new hub serving defense, aerospace, and energy across NATO and AUKUS markets. Titomic has never been better positioned. With a global footprint, Tier 1 customers, regional suppliers, a scalable technology, and strong capital support, we are unlocking long-term contracts, recurring revenue, and sustained growth. The foundation is secure, the future is expansive, and the opportunity for shareholders is just beginning.